Burnaby Lake is one of the few remaining lakes of significant ecological value in the Metro Vancouver region. It covers approximately 300 hectares and is home to over 400 plant, bird, and fish species. But increased development in the watershed over the past 30 years caused extensive sedimentation, which gradually reduced the lake's open water environment, creating significant environmental concerns and threatening the survivability of the lake's ecosystem.
The sediment coming into a lake contain a high level of contaminants. These are very typical of urban contaminants, including cadmium due to land use and copper and lead from urban traffic.
The City of Burnaby began investigating engineering solutions to reverse the infilling process in an environmentally friendly way with a small-scale pilot dredging project in 1999, which became the foundation of the Rejuvenation Project, jointly funded by the province.
This was one of the more complicated projects that our engineering staff had ever taken on. It was a project that demanded them to go into minute detail about how to protect the lake during a process that was potentially could have a lot of damage to the lake's wildlife and habitat.
Studies concluded that the most appropriate technology for this project was a hydraulic suction dredge with a cutter head auger to enable dredging of vegetated areas.
Much of it was a first, and our staff were on the cutting edge of making sure that they did a job that was probably unparalleled in this type of undertaking.
Environmental engineers and geoscientists integrated a comprehensive environmental management and monitoring plan for the project to ensure fish and aquatic animals living in the lake were not harmed.
The use of sonar cameras and ground-penetrating radar technology were employed. The use of the ground-penetrating radar is to allow us to detect any turtles that may bury themselves underneath the lake sediments.
The project was successfully completed in March of 2011. 215,000 cubic meters of contaminated sediments were removed, achieving the objectives of providing a healthier and cleaner environment for the lake, creating the open water environment, and re-establishing a world-class rowing venue.
The most rewarding part of the project is to be able to see that this lake can be preserved in an environmentally friendly way.
For its integration of environmental protection principles and innovative engineering approaches in the Burnaby Lake Rejuvenation Project, APEGBC is proud to present the City of Burnaby with the 2011 Environmental Award in the category of Design, Construction, and Monitoring.